Hello everyone, this is Jerpadice playing Minecraft Hardcore, my first video. I made an account a long time ago, but I've never used it, and this is nice seed we got here. Hopefully the Minecraft voice isn't too loud. Let me check one thing, slash seed. There's the seed if you want it. I really like this. I just need some food right off the bat because yes, I'll now explain why I'm doing videos and why did I make my account so much earlier than my first video. I'm making videos to make you all feel great. See funny gameplays, let's plays, tutorials, whatever. I have few friends I'm gonna play with, but the I live in Finland and most of them live in America, so the time difference. My accent is northern Finnish. Some people say that I sound like Russian. I don't know about that. I've never spoken to Russian, so I'd love to have few more guys to play with. If you have a server that doesn't lag, I would love if we could use it for our own purposes. Yes, we have a server, but if you live closer to me than the other guys, I can start playing with you too. You don't need to record or anything, just have a microphone headset so you can't hear the stuff going behind you. So I made the account because I have lots of friends and I like my name. Yes, Jerpadice. So I don't want people to copy my name, make a YouTube account on my name. So I made this account. I think it's been, well, quite a lot of time ago. But I'm making videos because I want to make everyone happy. I suck at hardcore. I tried to make a hardcore video. I died at the third episode of that. My account got deleted by my friend, no less. I still don't have any good video editing programs, so I won't have cool intros or outros, whatever. What should I start up with? I need stone. Oh, I will plant the trees, don't worry. I will keep doing this hardcore until I die. I will make another one. Um, you who are now seeing this are probably one of my first fans. If you even are fans, I mean viewers, my first viewers. I'm hoping you like this. Hopefully you will tell to your friends if you like the video, leave a like. If you like my other videos that will be coming soon, subscribe, leave a comment, and stuff like that, regular YouTube stuff. If you are interested in any questions, just ask in the comments, I will answer you. If I can, if you're gonna ask what's the secret of life, or secret to eternal life, I'm pretty sure I won't tell you. Not that I don't know, but just not sharing it with you. Okay, I don't know. Yes. So, I will keep posting these videos, hopefully more likes than dislikes, so, and please keep the comments, what's it called, commercial and spam free. Thank you. All the other stuff, like, well, let's just continue this. My food isn't doing well. My trees haven't grown, of course, not yet. I will start lighting up this island, just in the case of zombies, creepers, skeletons, spiders, squids. Squids are delicious. Yes. Oh, now that I look, there's pretty much of them. I'm living in the middle of squids. That's something not to be proud of. I would have wanted a own Freddy in this island. Yes, 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 yes. You will know later on what Freddy is. Or what I call Fred. Or who I call Fred. I can hear a zombie. I heard it earlier, but I was in the middle of something. Should I go find it? Oh, I need a sword. Scary music. I can hear it really well. Sorry about that. I think my mic is a little too close. Sorry. I don't have anyone to test the mic before. Okay. So they're somewhere around here. I'm just using my wooden pickaxe first, so it doesn't go to waste. Okay, I hear you. Are they there? No. There. Maybe there. Just a second. Maybe up. No. Let's keep going down. Yes. I can hear you. I can hear you really well. I don't want to hear you, so shut up, little zombie. A little zombie of mine, dancing in the rainbow sky. This little zombie of mine, I can hear it stalk me from behind. Oh! Lucky! Now let's find a sword for me. Maybe my bread has grown. Okay, I will be doing Feed the Beast at least, because that's my friend's favorite modpack, I think. One of the Direwolf 20, I think. Then anything else worth noting? Maybe my sound is a little too high. I'll put it to that. See what difference does it make. And these are... Oh, it has my torch. It stole my torch. No. Oh, I got it back, but there are a little bit of technical problems. This is my first video on this account. I will probably be making videos on another channel too. I will tell you about it later. If I do make there, it's group of people. And just to remind you, I am open to all sorts of new people joining me, playing stuff. Oh yes, you need Skype too, so I can speak to you. Because if we're on a gonna play like this, I need to be able to talk to you. Or then we can just do one of those 1 versus 1 PvP maps or any of those things, so we don't need to talk to each other while doing that. and we have 3 people I'm playing with. I think one of them won't be filming, the other one will. So, and usually there's 4 people maps or even more. Like one I want to play is 5 people map. Great map, hasn't gotten enough attention is my opinion. I'd love to play it with few of you guys, but I need a server for that. Again, my internet isn't the best, so expect lag while doing that. I think there's something laggy close by, like a monster spawner or something, because my frame rate dropped a little bit back there. Not sure what it is. Should I check down there? I'll light the upper parts of this cavern, or yeah, cavern. Good thing there's water. I can swim back up if there's some. Okay, there's nothing special here, I think. No. Then there sometimes my brother might be next to me. He can't speak English, so you might be hearing his voice in the background, saying like "ooh, diamonds" in Finnish or something. It's good to have someone next to me, I think, to me at least, because I sometimes don't know this stuff. Like, I can walk over a lapis lazuli or something. Yeah, I know, lapis lazuli. What's so important about it? But in the Feed the Beast, it's pretty important. The dire wolf. I keep destroying the torches. My pickaxe will be broken soon. Yes, that's a good amount of iron. But I still... Oh, where did I come from? Here. I still... Oh, it's night. I still need food, I was about to say. Please give me a not potato, I mean apple. Please give me an apple. That would be a great thing to do for me, my tree. No, saplings are great too. Are great too, but I need an apple. Please give me an apple. Really? I forgot you need so many bone meals to grow up one of those things. Oh, I have these things in my hand. I told you I sometimes don't know this stuff. Should I make an axe? I don't think I need it for these small trees. And by the way, this seed, it was random. I just wanted to do a hardcore, I put it hardcore, and this is kinda like a survival island. I've tried it once, but I'm lucky. It was this kind of map. I shouldn't say map, seed. This kind of seed came up because I'm usually really unlucky with the things like oh yeah, what should be the thing for the hardcore? Just survive, or should I find a fortress and try to fight Ender Dragon at the end, or how do you think? Or find, or make a go to Nether and do something there, or be the Wither and Ender Dragon. I don't know, you can decide. I'm not good with coming up with missions for myself. I am. Sorry about if my voice is a little weird. I just came from my father's house. Let's make that iron. I want to hear your opinion about this first episode. What should I do to make it better? Was it good? Not perfect, I think. Perfect, I think. Should I train my English? Do you like my accent? Of course you don't. You hate my accent. And all the other stuff about what would you just want to say in comments, but you usually don't like. I don't mind if you say it was stupid decision to what would happen? Break the leaves. It's higher chance to get an apple if you just let them drop naturally. I don't know about that, but that might be true. Just came up with it. So if there's anything like that, please let me know. Tough decision. Yeah. I'll make at least an iron one. And one of those. I don't think I need a chest yet. Since well, I'll make one and put some of this stuff in. That was weird. I heard something behind my window, but I'm at the second floor, so bird or big bug? I don't know. Oh yeah, it was a big bug. It's on the window. I don't know what's with them. Okay, I can hear a skeleton. I can make more food soon. Food, I mean. Oh, more coal. I'll leave it there. I might need it later on, but not right now. It's good to have some coal close by. Nah, not yet. And there's the thing. I will probably not make like 20 minutes videos, 10-minute videos, like you'd normally like. See you in the next episode or something like that. I'm just making these as long as I want to play this hardcore. That voice. As long as I want to play this hardcore, I will keep on playing it like without a pause. But when I got a little tired of it, I'll end my filming there and then share the episodes. I'll probably play this at least half an hour more today, so you'll probably have pretty many episodes in storage, so I won't put them on like all at once because I just started here in the YouTube and I will probably, now that you mention it, now that I mentioned it, because I'm going for it's like summer vacation, so I'm going somewhere with my family in the cabin in the woods. No, 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 I hate you, creeper. Why do you keep ruining my plans to rule the world? As not Steve, but this thing, whatever this is. I can make a TNT. Oh no, you are still here. I forgot about you. Why did you do that? That's not very nice. But you helped me find iron. So I'm not that angry. But that skeleton has an enchanted bow. And I don't like skeletons regularly either. But one with an enchanted bow, it is a true enemy of mine. I beat it up. I beat it up. And really, another creeper. I don't think I have ever seen a creeper spawner. I don't even know if there is a one, like in a dungeons or. Have I been just unlucky not to see one or lucky? However you wanna call it, because I feel like there is something over there. Something like a creeper spawner. So much iron. I won't mine it now, sorry guys, but God help, God save the queen. I am your master! Really? Okay, I'm leaving this place. Ouch. I don't want to die into hardcore this early. Once I have enough health regen, I will be back. I will be back. Okay, I can hear a spider. Few spiders, so there's probably a mineshaft nearby, or oh, they're probably. Oh no, I'm gonna starve to death. This was a quick one. See you in my next hardcore gameplay. It's gonna be on soon. This started so well. I'll probably use the same seed. And see you all later on. This was Chirpatha's first gameplay of hardcore. And it sucked. You will see this historical moment when I delete the world. Bear with me. Oh, you have died. Game over, man. It's game over. Disconnected by server. I've ever read that before. But see you all in a bit.